start today's lesson?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Today is 20 of February 26. We will continue with Unit 6, page 98. But before we start the lesson, tell me, do you remember last week we talked about traveling and different activities like hiking, biking, traveling, camping, do you remember? And we also learned different things we need for each one. For example, look at this and tell me, what do we need for biking? We need a helmet, right? For biking, we need a helmet. For paddling, what do we need? We need a life jacket, very good. Or for camping, we need a tent, we need a backpack. What about hiking? What do we need? We need a compass. We need a compass. We need a map. So you remember them. Today, we are going to use some of these words again because I'm going to tell you my hiking story. And we will also learn some connectors to describe things in the correct order. Are you ready to start? Okay, so look and listen. Yesterday, I decided to go hiking. So I packed my bag and went to the hiking area. Before I started the adventure and got lost, I checked the map. After I checked the map, I used the compass to find the right direction. Then I started walking carefully along the path. And while I was walking, I noticed a bright light in the distance. And after that, I saw a beautiful volcano. Now, look at these pictures and tell me what happened first in my story. Look at these. What happened first? I went to the hiking area, right? Good. So, I went to the hiking area. What did I do next? I checked the map. And then I used the compass. What happened next? I noticed a light, right? And then, what did I see? I saw a volcano, thank you. You see, these things happen in the order. There are things that happened earlier and things that happened later. Things that happened first or next, right? Now, again, look at this picture and tell me, what did I do after I checked the map? Look at these two. What did I do after I checked the map? I used the compass, very good. Now tell me, what did I do before I used the compass? I checked the map, very good. So now it's time to learn those connectors. We use before to show things that happened earlier or first, and we use after Or before I checked the map, what did I do? I just went to the hiking area, right? Very good. There is one more connector, which is while. Do you remember what I said? I said, while I was walking, I noticed a bright light in the distance. So I was walking, and at the same time something happened, right? So when two things happen at the same time, we use while. Did you all understand this? Do you have any question? That was easy, right? But I cannot hear your voice. May I clean the board?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, it's your turn. I'm going to give you a mini worksheet. And that's really easy, it's just to practice. Thank you. There's a couple of things like this. Yes. Okay. Look at section A. In this section, you have 6 sentences, right? Complete the sentences using before, after, or why. So read the sentences carefully and think about the logic. Which one happened first? Which one happened next? Let's do the first one together. It says, blah, blah, blah. I started my trip. I packed my bag. So think about it. Which one happened first? First you pack your bag, right? Then you started your trip. So before I started my trip, I packed my bag. Okay, the rest is for you, and you have 2 minutes for this. And you can use this table. Please put your phones away. Maybe there are things that happen at the same time, right? Actually, we give you a worksheet. Section A. connectors to show the order. Before I started my trip, I packed my bag. Like things that happen first or next. Okay? Have you all finished?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check the answers together. Number two. Doll, you please.
After I check the map, I choose my lane.
Very good. Number three goes to Shams, please.
Before I start paddling, I wore a life jacket.
Very good, thank you. Number four, Fatush.
While I was biking, I put on my helmet.
Very good, thank you. Number five, Rojda, you please.
After I finished hiking, I sent a message to my friend.
Very good. And the last one, Yaz, you please. Can you read it?
After I finish camping, I pack my tents.
Very good. Do you want to check your answer or take a photo? Is that okay? Okay, now look at section B. In this section, you have three questions, and in each question there are two short sentences. I want you to combine these two short sentences and make a meaningful sentence using these connectors. So again, read the sentences, think about the logic, which one happened first, which one happened later, or maybe they happen at the same time, okay? And with the best connector, make a meaningful sentence. Have you all finished? Do you need more time, Fatush?
Yes.
Okay. One more minute. Okay, let's check the answers together. Number one, can you read it?
Yes. After I woke up, I checked my travel plan.
Very good, thank you. Asya, you please, number two.
While I was traveling on the bus, I listened to a podcast.
Very good. Number three, Ra.
I packed my backpack, then I left after that one.
Can you read it again?
I packed my backpack.
Okay, where is your connector? Before I packed my backpack. Okay, or you can say before I left the campsite, I packed my backpack. Okay. Do you want to check your answers with this? You done? Okay. Now, it's time to play a game. Let me prepare this. You all know X, alright? Today, we're going to play a different version of XO. We will have two teams. Let me see. This side of the class plus Rojda. You are team X, and this side you are team O, okay? Each time, one person from your group will come to the board to put your XOs. But it's not that easy. see in each square there is a task. So first you need to decide where do you want to put your XO. Then read the task and answer. If the answer is correct, you can put your XO. If not, this is a chance for the other group. And we will continue to see who can make a line. Let's start with team X. Who wants to come? First decide where do you want to put your X. Okay, open this and do the task which is inside. Do it for yourself and just answer it.
Make a sentence using while and eating breakfast.
Okay. Make a meaningful sentence with these and connectors that you just made.
While I was eating breakfast, I was talking to my mother.
Very good. You can put your X. O, team O. Who wants to come from your group? Come.
Thank you.
Decide. Do the task. Good. Next, X be ready.
Okay. Make a sentence using after and using a comma. I forgot the name of compass.
Compass. The thing that you
Yes.
find the
Find
directions. Okay.
Okay. After I found my way after using a compass.
Very good. You can put your O. I can take the task. Okay. Next, X. Focus. Decide where do you want to put this. Do the task. Okay.
Make a sentence using while and checking your phone.
Okay.
I was checking my phone during was cancelled.
Think. When we say while, two things happen at the same time. Say that again. While I was talking to the phone, what happened?
My roommate was dying. My roommate died.
Your roommate died. Okay.
Yeah.
Put your X. Thank you. Next, O.
Make a sentence using while and traveling. While I traveling, I saw. While I was traveling, I saw a cow.
Very good. Put your O. Next, X. Rojda. Think where you want to put this. Do the task.
And make a sentence using after and booking etiquette.
Okay.
While I booking etiquette, I was booking etiquette. I saw my friend.
Okay, that's good. Next, O. Ayşe. The next one is you. Okay, first do the task. Bring it along.
I don't create sentences
What's this?
while carrying a backpack.
While you were carrying the backpack, something happened at the same time. You saw something maybe while I was carrying my backpack.
While I was carrying a backpack,
You saw something. You heard something. You okay, while I was listening to the podcast, I was carrying my backpack. But you can also say while I was carrying my backpack, I saw a beautiful scene. Okay?
Yes.
Put yours. Next, X. Yes. Thank you. Think where you want to put this. Okay, do the task. Do I next to you?
Before packing a bag, I lost my phone.
Say sentence again.
Before packing a bag,
Before packing a bag,
I
I lost my phone. Very
my
good.
phone.
You can put your X. Do.
Anyone I know?
Where did you decide first?
Huh.
This one.
Yeah.
You sure? Okay. But I think you
Ah.
like this. Yeah,
Oh,
because you
okay.
answered this
Yeah,
one.
sorry.
Thank you.
What is sentence used before and checking back? Before I was checking back, I remembered my bottle.
Before I checked the map, I remembered my bottle. You can put it. Okay, thank you. Next, X. Chance again.
Before I left home,
Okay.
I took my breakfast.
Okay, thank you. And no winner. It means it's time for duel. I need two brave students, one from this group, one from this group. Okay, and from your group, come. I'm going to give you the same task, but the one who answers first, the win is for your team, okay? Ready? Go.
Before
After I
arrived,
arrived at the station, I bought a ticket.
Is there a sentence?
before I arrived at the station, I bought a ticket.
Okay, both are correct, but Fatush said the sentence, the complete sentence first. Okay, so before team O, clap for yourself. Thank you for your participation. Thank you. Okay, so let's quickly review on what we did. When I say before, I mean something that happened later or after. Wait, when I say before, I mean something that happened earlier or later. Earlier. When I say after, I mean something that happened earlier or later. When I say why, it means two things happened at the same time. Do you have any question? Nothing. Crystal clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so it means it's time for your homework. For next session, I want you to think about your last travel and write 5 sentences. And I want to see at least 3 sentences using the new structure. Is that okay?